guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download Airshare for free for iOS 10. So yeah, this is how basically I got Airshare. So let's begin, shall we? So first off, you're going to be needing to download the Tweakbox app. But first, it will try to you to download this Tweakbox certificate sign I think what they call it, and when you're done you'll get this Tweakbox app. So you're gonna click on that, wait a couple of seconds, so ads will pop up, and now you're going to click on apps. And you guys might have been asking me that why are we on this app, why? So I'll tell you guys why. So now you're going to be clicking on the Tweakbox apps. Yes, this one. So click, wait a couple of seconds, and now you can see Airshare, and you'll have Cool Pixel, Bobby Movie, Every Chord, Happy Chick, Eye Cleaner, and you can really click on Airshare. Then you're gonna click on install, but I already downloaded it, so I'm gonna cancel it. And when Airshare finishes downloading, and then you have it, you have Airshare. You're going to be needing to trust Airshare. I'm gonna show you how to trust it. So go to settings, then scroll down, profiles and device management, and whatever certificate is this, and now Airshare. So if you want this app to be permanent, then you'll need to anti-revoke. The link will be down in the description for both of these and for Tweakbox app. So guys, thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video, and love you guys.